All right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. This is Sonal. I would like to welcome you to day three of my 3-day Money Mindset EFT workshop. It's our final transformation day together. I can see some people are very serious. All okay, guys? All okay? We forgot we discussed there's an amazing feature that we have on our faces. Or you guys had a rough Wednesday. I hope not. All right, so how many of you felt and encountered a different sort of energy yesterday after you left the session and also today during the day, the entire day? How many of you felt that the energy levels were again different, considering we learned again and we did another tapping session yesterday right before we left? How many of you felt a different sort of energy level yesterday, guys? Come on, tell me in the chat box in the form of a yes. All right, I can see Dr. Soham, Varun, Preeti, Srinath, Tanmay. All right, cool. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. And how many of you could take one action today or yesterday as we agreed upon? Minimum one action, right? Something is moving, yeah? All right, I can see some of you guys are saying yes, minimum one action. I did, me, yes, amazing. So we all are becoming action takers here, right? Which is like the most important skill when it comes to making money. There's nothing that can match action taking, guys. I believe me, there's nothing that can even comes equal to action taking when it comes to making money. All right, multiple actions taken. Amazing, Vikas. Cool. All right, so let's get going. I will bring my screen up, guys. Is it visible? Is it visible? Can you see it? My presentation, right? All right, so let's get going. So, guys, we uncovered two big money blocks on day one and day two. Day one was that making money is extremely difficult, and day two, which was yesterday, we discussed fears around making money, right? Fears around going out and pitching something, going out and selling, going out and creating something of your own, right? So our mind is naturally creating fears. On day one, the solution we had was that making money is not really that difficult as long as we can become an action taker and we can become a problem solver. Day two yesterday was about taking action despite the fears, right? That is what will enable us to attract more money into our lives. Moving on to day three, which is the third money block, which a lot of people have subconsciously, you're holding this particular block. But before I go to that, I want to do some rapid fire with you guys to wake those people up who probably are still not consciously here. All right, guys, how many of you would want to be successful and wealthy? Type a yes in the chat box. Some of you would be like, obviously Sonal, otherwise why would we be here, है ना? हम क्यों आपके साथ होंगे अभी? हम कुछ और भी कर रहे हो सकते थे. We could have been watching a Netflix series, right? It's 8 p.m. We are anyway tired. Why would we come to a personal development session, right? Certainly yes. All right. How many of you literally at every cost want to have your dream lifestyle? And when I say cost is not just in terms of energy levels, it's in terms of time, money, effort, खून पसीना. होता है ना खून पसीने की कमाई, वैसे ही कमाई जाती है if you really want to create wealth, all right? So I can see a lot of you guys are saying yeses and me's, all right. So guys, I'm sure a lot of you guys would want to feel good about yourself, which money makes you feel, right? So money has this power that it makes us feel even better about ourselves, है ना? होता है ना? That the more money we have in our bank account, the more monthly payout we make, the better and the more confident we feel about ourselves, right? Okay. So, guys, if it is up to you, and if I have to ask you, I can see lots of yeses coming. How much would you like to make every single month? Now, don't say infinite, don't say jitna aa jaye kam hai. That's a lazy answer, okay? That's like you don't want your mind to exercise upon a goal, upon an income number, okay? Don't say financial freedom. Come on, financial freedom ना एक cliche term है जो ओवर यूज्ड टर्म है जिसका रियल मीनिंग 99% जनता को पता भी नहीं होता, ठीक है, कि फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम होती क्या है. सो डोंट से ओवर यूज टर्म्स, डोंट से समथिंग विच प्रोबेबली यू डोंट इवन नो. से समथिंग दैट यू जेन्युइनली फील इज गोइंग टू ट्रांसफॉर्म योर लाइफ. इट्स लाइक एक ऐसी वैल्यू जो आपका ड्रीम नंबर है. ड्रीम नंबर गाइस, 50,000 ड्रीम नंबर नहीं हो सकता. कम ऑन, 50,000 किसी का ड्रीम नंबर नहीं होता. फॉर दोज ऑफ यू आर राइटिंग दैट नंबर, ड्रीम नंबर ऐसा होना चाहिए जो आपको, of course, that pushes you, that puts you into the uncomfortable zone, right? that makes you move, that makes you get up. 25,000, 30, 50,000 is not going to move you. या वो ऐसी बना लोगे आप literally, right? अगर कोई अभी 40,000 कमा रहा है तो 50,000 कमाने के लिए कोई बहुत मेहनत नहीं चाहिए, तोप नहीं चलानी पड़ेगी, right? So guys, give me your dream number, a number which literally gives you goosebumps, which is like भगवान नीचे आए और आपको बोले ना सोनल कितना पैसा कमाना चाहते हो महीने का आज की डेट में, what would be that number for you? That's what I'm asking, right? Come on, now I can see some better answers coming. All right. So I can see I'm scrolling up from where the answers started coming. 60 lakhs per month, 10 lakh, 40 plus, at least 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 10, 15, 5, 1 lakh, 2.5, 20, 10, 10 lakh. All right, 2.5 lakhs, 25, 4, 75 lakhs. Yeah, 7 to 8 lakhs, 1 CR, 50,000, 15 lakhs, 1 lakh and above. All right, 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 2.5. Amazing. Uh, 10 lakhs per month is my target every month. All right, 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 2 CRs, 2 to 3 lakhs. Amazing. This number should be something which is able to give you the kind of dream lifestyle that you have. Like for some people, probably the lifestyle that you want can come at 5 lakh also. For some people, it may come at 50 lakhs also, because probably you have huge materialistic dreams, right? Or probably you want to sponsor thousands of kids, right? So the kind of lifestyle that you imagine for yourself, let's say where you're sponsoring 100 kids, 500 kids, and their entire education and everything from scratch. So of course you would need to be making money in crores, in the numbers of crores every month. So be it materialistic, non-materialistic, we are not caring about that over here. It's like, what is the dream number that can allow you and your family and whatever aspirations you have to do with helping the society also, for you to come make that true. कुछ ड्रीम नंबर आप पहुंचते हो वहां तक, राइट? सो दैट इज द नंबर आई आस्क्ड यू. Okay, 2 crores per month, 3 crore per month. For me, 2 lakhs per month is more than enough. All right, 3 CR per month. Amazing. So guys, speaking about now, you're genuinely making this much amount of money. ठीक है? Suppose you're making 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 CR, 10 crore, 1 crore, whatever you wrote, okay? Irrespective of what you wrote, क्या कीजिएगा इस धनराशि का? Suppose every month 1 CR gets credited into your bank account, 2 CR gets credited into your bank account. What are some of your, or maybe at least one, if not multiple, what is that one biggest aspiration, guys, जिसको पूरे किए बिना ना हम धरती से नहीं जाना चाहते? Let's bring into our consciousness. Let's bring into our consciousness that one biggest aspiration जिसके बिना आप चाहोगे भगवान जी तब तक मत बुलाना जब तक ये पूरी ना हो जाए, right? So guys, what would be that one aspiration that you ultimately have to fulfill? या फिर what is your biggest why? Okay, I have a lot of plans at 10 crore per month. All right, I have to buy a house, 10% for donation, charity, clear my loans. Come on Raju, you won't just want to make money to pay to the banks, right? अपने लिए भी कुछ करना चाहोगे. So loans clear हो जाएंगे ना? Loans clear होने के बाद what is it that you would like to do? You would not want to, anybody over here would not want to go away clearing their loans only, right? गरीब जीवन जिया और सिर्फ लोन्स चुकाए और टाटा बाय बाय. No, right? We want to do something for ourselves, for our family, for the society also, right? Sponsor poor kids, 10% charity, close all my loans. Goals, create a large jungle in Aravali. Oh, that's the first time I'm hearing this. Buy my own luxurious apartment. All right, buy a luxury car worth 1.5 CR. फिर सुपर्ण, अभी आप बोल रहे थे 2 लाख पर मंथ में हो जाएगा पूरा. नाउ यू आर सेइंग 1.5 CR का लग्जरी कार. डजंट गो टुगेदर, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, राइट? वील हैव टू वर्क आउट द नंबर्स. क्लोज लोन्स, एक्सप्लोर भारत, बाय अ कार, हाउस, स्टार्ट क्लीनिंग अप द debt and invest in my business. All right, support to society, Hindu राष्ट्र, travel around the world. Amazing guys, amazing. अब मजा आ रहा है ना? Make a temple, world tour with family, buy a house, car travel. Amazing, amazing. Make want to help all the needy street animals, great cause, money, get rid of loans, self-sufficient, want to take car for my mother and take her for vacation. Amazing. How many of you are feeling nice about writing what you're writing, guys? किस किस को मजा आ रहा है just visualizing it? मेरे को इतना सही लग रहा है. Imagine you have constructed your own temple. Imagine you've bought a car for your mother. I'm just visualizing when you'll take her to the showroom and when she'll collect the keys and when the pictures are getting clicked. Oh my God, I would like to be there in that moment to celebrate that with you. Honestly, right? So feeling nice, feeling happy, wanting, किस किस को अंदर से इच्छा आ रही है that यार कुछ भी हो जाए. It's okay if I have to sacrifice a little bit of Netflix, है ना? It's okay if I have to wake up यार सुबह 5 बजे उठना पड़ेगा तो I can. How many of you are getting this feeling that अगर 5 बजे उठना पड़ता है I can get up at 5 a.m. अगर रात को 12-1 बजे तक मेहनत करनी पड़ती है I'm ready. As long as I can help those street children, as long as I can help those street dogs or street animals, as long as I can take my family on a world tour, मैं ready हूँ यार अगले 5 साल ऐसी तैसी घिसाई कराने के लिए. Think about it, क्योंकि उसके बिना नहीं होगा. I'm not saying it's difficult. It's going to be worth it, guys. It's going to be worth it. But I'm not saying that it's going to come ऐसे ही. अच्छा आज हमने सोचा और कल आ गया. We know, right? That's not. If that is how it happens, probably it's going to be a jackpot. Probably it's going to be a lottery. It's not going to be something that you make via your own मेहनत. है ना? Ready? Yes, I can get up even at 4. Ready to take efforts. 100% ready. I want to take my family on world tour. So ready हैं सब लोग? है ना? Everybody is ready. कुछ भी करना पड़े उसके लिए. Cool. I can see a lot of you guys are saying ready, ready, ready. All right. So guys, see, we all somewhere right now in this moment are feeling ready. है ना? क्योंकि मैंने आपको जगा दिया अभी. I have woken up that probably inner dream or that inner vision from within you that एक ऐसी चीज, because see अगर आपने एक चीज बोली है, suppose you want to create your own jungle in Aravali for example, then in order for you to create that jungle, imagine the kind of person you will become, imagine the amount of money you will have. Then do you think you will only be able to do that? उसके बीच में you would have fulfilled 100 other small goals. Don't you think? Don't you think there would be so many goals that would have been fulfilled already by the time you reach that one of the biggest goals? It's not just about that one big goal. It's about the person that you will become. It's about the individual that you become during the process, that you would have done so much for, people around you. Now, for that, you're feeling ready right now. Maybe in this moment because someone has invoked that emotion from within you. However, on normal days, on general days, on day-to-day basis, or maybe for the last few years, months, days, there has been, I'm sure there must be an inner voice which must keep saying that, कैसे होगा यार? Like, how is it going to happen? Is it even going to happen or not? Like 1 CR, isn't that too much of an amount to make monthly? 1 CR, 2 CR, 5 CR. Why will someone even pay me this much money? और आएगा कैसे? Like 1 लाख रुपए बनाने के लिए तो ऐसी तैसी करानी पड़ती है इतनी, है ना? For 1, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh rupees, so I'm like going crazy. I have to give 15 hours of work. I have to listen to my boss. I have to, solve the problems for hundreds of customers. Then how will I on this planet be able to make 5 CR, man, to be able to take world tour and, to be able to sponsor thousands of kids? How many of you get doubts about, maybe you wrote the number, you wrote your goal, but किस किस के मन में doubt आ रहा है कि होगा कैसे? How will it happen? Will it even happen or not? Like कहने में अच्छा लग रहा है, it sounds good to say, it sounds good to visualize, but then there is this doubt that whether it is going to happen or not. Maybe because I'm already 60-year-old, I have less time left. That can be a doubt. Maybe because I'm too old, whatever is your age, I'm too old to achieve this. Maybe because I don't think so I have any skills which are going to help me make this much money in crores. Maybe because my competition is so amazing, why will someone come to pay me? है ना? कोई मेरे पास क्यों आएगा? कम ऑन, टेल मी गाइस, टेल मी. मतलब आपको ना बेझिझक होके बताना है. See, some of you may not be having a doubt, which is great. Maybe you've already worked on your conditioning. But majority people, 90-95% people, I'm sure must be having doubt in their head right now. Okay? So I can see, yes, how will it happen? Me, doubt hai, will it happen or not? Yeah, yes. Skills, competition, age, I have doubt, no doubt because I've applied and experienced. All right. 10% hike is what I get every year, तो कैसे होगा, है ना? ये भी तो होता है कि जॉब से कैसे होगा. इतनी सी 8-10%, 15% हाइक मिलती है, उसमें आप कितने ही अपने ड्रीम्स अचीव कर लोगे, राइट? देर इज नो फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम, देर इज नो टाइम फ्रीडम। टाइम फ्रीडम भी तो चाहिए ना, टू टेक केयर ऑफ ड्रीम्स, राइट? Yes, I do, but need to learn how to do. My doubt is, why would anyone give me job break of 20 years, job after break of 20 years? Yeah. I have faith in my ability to learn, to achieve what I don't have. All right. I still don't know the X factor in me. So these are all doubts, guys, that start coming in the head. और ये पता है क्यों? क्योंकि ना किसी ने, nobody in our family, nobody in our, you know, in middle class families teaches us कि बड़े goals हो सकते हैं हमारे। माई पेरेंट्स नेवर स्पोक अबाउट करोड़ों में, तो बात ही नहीं हुई, पता ही नहीं था, बस मैथ्स में देखा था, हाँ 7 zeros होते हैं इन 1 year। देयर वॉज नेवर इवन अ जिक्र। यार, जिसने बचपन से ये देखा हो कि पापा को स्कूल भेजने के लिए भी लोन लेना पड़ रहा है हमें, वो कैसे ही सोचेगा इतना बड़ा? थिंक अबाउट इट, राइट? Nobody ever spoke about it. Nobody around me was ever doing it. Nobody in my family or friend circle was, making huge, huge amounts of money. मोहल्ले में हम बड़े हुए हैं, like at least me, right? मेरठ की गलियों गलियों में खेल के अजीब अजीब से बच्चों के साथ तो मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ. So how will I even know and how will I have that thought process? Come on. If you've seen it in your family, probably if you've seen it that some of your relatives are making, they have huge bungalows, they are making huge amount of money, they have huge cars, then the belief comes easily, right? कि हाँ हमारे घर में किसी ने किया है तो doable होगा कम से कम. But when you don't have such elders, when you don't have such upbringing, when you don't have anyone around you, आपको एक general pattern सिखाया स्कूल में, school told you go to college, college told you take a job, job told you that okay get settled, have a family, have kids, after kids you start, अब शादी के टाइम पे आप सोचते हो ठीक है अभी टाइम है, then you have kids, then after kids you can't leave your job because you're like, now how can I start a business now? I can't put myself at risk. Then when you are in your 40s, then middle age crisis comes that now I have to start planning for my child's college. Then आप उसलिए नहीं छोड़ सकते. Then once they start going to college, you can't again leave the job because it's like now my old age is coming. How can I be? वो पूरी life निकल जाती है. And then by the time you're 60, 65, you're like, now it's too late. Agreed? At every stage of life, we are being taught by society that something else is more urgent than our dreams. Isn't that what is the reality? See, I am 32 right now, but I'm so glad that I got to learn it so early in life. I did not realize it, I realized it in my 20s only. That this is all bullshit programming that is happening in the society, boss. And thankfully, my coach taught me this. That's only इस प्रोग्रामिंग पे चलोगे तो mediocre रह जाओगे. You don't have to be mediocre in your life, neither by your thoughts nor by the money that you make. But when I realized it, something started shifting. But then I also realized that there are so many people who are still having the same kind of programming and who are not able to break free. People have aspirations, like you guys have aspirations, right? And I'm so happy that you know. कई लोगों को अवेयरनेस भी नहीं होती उन्हें क्या चाहिए लाइफ में. एटलीस्ट यू गाइज हैव द अवेयरनेस, विच इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. Now is the time that we start building the confidence that what that can become possible also. Yes, I'll have to work to make that possible. Yes, I'll have to devise newer ways. I can't be just going out and using the traditional ways of making money. I'll have to do something out of the box. But then at least I have the awareness that जो मैं कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ उससे तो नहीं होगा सिर्फ. I will have to do something else. Otherwise, I will constantly, keep having these kind of doubts in my head that am I even worthy? Am I even deserving? Am I even good enough? मेरे अंदर कुछ है? Like अगर आप मुझसे maybe if let's say you had asked me maybe 6-7 years back ना, that's मेरे को I was simply a job going girl. Typically कोई इतने लोग जॉब करते हैं, मैं भी जॉब ही कर रही थी, right? I was a typical middle class human being who used to make, I think I was in PwC when I found my coach, and I used to make कितना 10 लाख का पैकेज होगा मेरा साल का, right? Which was like not that good, not that bad, decent if you speak about back in 2019, right? So I mean, I was also this person who never knew I had anything else in me. And I was good at my job. एंड आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी ऑल्सो एट माई जॉब. आई वॉज लाइक ठीक है यार, ठीक ठाक चल तो रही है, अपना पैसे वैसे आ रहे हैं घर में, राइट? बट God had a different plan for me, and thankfully God had this plan, guys. So if you have such kind of questions today, it's very normal, guys. I want to tell you that these doubts that are coming in your head, these are very normal considering our upbringing, considering the kind of life that we've lived, considering nobody really came in our life at an earlier point of time to teach us कि नहीं यार, life बड़ी भी हो सकती है. There can be a different way out also, right? So guys, when you have these kind of questions in your head ना, when you have doubts in your head, जब आप खुल के नहीं बोल सकते I am going to make 1 CR per month, and अगर उसके बाद एक भी बार if you say but, however, I'm not sure, but how will it happen, but will it happen or not, then you know what happens? Whatever you say after the but becomes more important than whatever you said before the but. That's how your brain behaves. Always remember this. But is a very strong word, but, but. उसके बाद जो आप बोलते हो ना, that always has more power for the brain than what you say before. Like, I want to make 1 CR per month, but I'm not sure how. Then your brain will not be sure how. So you have to remove the buts from your life. The statement should be that I want to make 1 CR. That's it. Full stop. Now your brain will start figuring out ways. Okay, how can you do that? What are some of the ways working in the market? How soon would you like to do that? Of course, today you make 1 lakh. You can't be non-sensible enough to say कि अगले साल 1 करोड़ बनने लग जाएंगे. If you win at life, big deal. अगर आप बिल्कुल ही भगवान के फेवरेट बच्चे हुए, super lucky, तो अलग बात है. But in majority cases, it's not going to happen. It's going to take time. Success takes time. It's a long-term game. Wealth creation is a long-term game, guys. Some people come to me and say that, Sonal, abhi I'm making no money. Can you teach me how to make 1 lakh rupee in 3 months? I'm like, please. No, you're not focused on learning and you're focused on अगले अगले महीने से 1 लाख रुपए पर मंथ बनने लग जाए. कोई मजाक थोड़ी चल रहा है यहाँ पे, है ना? So guys, we have to literally be conscious enough to understand that we make sense also, and wealth creation is a long term game, and it's going to take time, but it's like the initial 2 years which are difficult. After that, it's compounding that comes into play. Like for me, the first 1 to 2 years of my business were difficult. उसके बाद से तो compound ही हो रहा है. उसके बाद से तो the effort is less and the money is more. But survival in those initial few years, na, that's the difficult part, guys. Okay? So now is the time that we break free of this big money block, which is the low self-worth and low self-deservingness. Because you know what happens, guys? You know what happens? If you have low worthiness, then if these are your goals, if this is the income number that you wish to be making, which is your goal, and these are the actions that you're taking towards hitting this goal, then there will be a lot of roadblocks which will keep coming in the way. आपकी गाड़ी चलेगी, there will be speed breaker. Then 5 seconds, another speed breaker. 5 seconds, another speed breaker. And you know, you will get irritated. Why are so many road breaks coming? Why are so many speed breakers coming? Let me take another turn. Maybe I will come tomorrow. Maybe I will come after 1 year. Maybe I will change my path. Then you will take a longer path. Then maybe roadblocks will come there also. So you know what is happening? These mental roadblocks. These are the worthiness issues. When at every point you doubt yourself, when at every point you have a question, अरे नहीं यार, मेरा कॉम्पिटिटर मुझसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल है, लेट मी टेक अ स्टेप बैक, लेट मी प्रिपेयर अ लिटिल बिट मोर, मे बी लेट मी टेक 1 मंथ मोर, उसके बाद लॉन्च करेंगे. क्या 1 मंथ बाद कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं होगा? द कॉम्पिटिटर वुड बी इवन मोर पावरफुल आफ्टर 1 मंथ, राइट? Today I'm having fear. I don't want to create Instagram video today. I'll start tomorrow. पक्का मंडे से करेंगे. ओ नहीं नहीं नहीं, 1 जनवरी 2026 पंडित जी से मुहूर्त निकलवाएंगे. 1 जनवरी 2026 इज गोइंग टू बी अ सुपर पावरफुल डे. या बर्थडे पे करेंगे. बर्थडे इज एन ऑस्पिशियस डेट. अरे यार, कुछ नहीं होता. What is birthday? What is 1 January? It's just a date on the calendar, guys. है ना? It's just a date. Right? Somebody can say that, okay, what is today, 2nd of July, है ना? Somebody would say 2nd of July थोड़ी ना मुझे याद रहेगी. This is not even my anniversary. This is not even my birthday. This is not even any significant date in my life. But this is the date you can change, boss. And this is the date you can Wish to remember all your life that I attended this workshop and my mind opened up to saying that whatever day I decide, I can literally change my life. So 2nd of July became the date when I literally transformed every single thing about my life. And this becomes the most important date. तो ऐसे होता है. You make the important dates in your life. It's not like the important dates are only going to be the auspicious dates in your life. That's what I believe. You may have another belief, but that's what I believe, okay? So, guys, we need to start working on our worthiness issues, because until the time you keep having these doubts in your head, there will be a lot of bumps coming, and these bumps are probably not going to make you reach the goal. एक या तो ये होगा, या फिर probably the place where you could have reached in 1 year, you will take 10 years to reach. क्योंकि इतने ब्लॉक्स के बाद पहुंचोगे तब तक थक जाओगे. Would be like, it was so damn difficult, man. It was so damn difficult, right? So what do we need to do? We need to work on ourselves. Can I tell you guys a little bit about myself as to what I did in the last few years so that I could gain this level of confidence, thankfully at a young age, so that my at least a lot of years that I would have wasted otherwise got saved because of all the learning that I had in the last few years. Do I have your permission, guys? Can I let you know a little bit about myself as to what I have been up to in the last few years? Thank you so much, guys, for saying yes and interested and wanting to hear from me about myself. Thank you. So, guys, everybody has at least a few incidents in their life which are like really the life transforming and the life altering incidents in our lives, right? Everybody has that, I believe. नहीं होते तो आपको बनाने पड़ते हैं अपनी लाइफ में. Some incidents, you have to make those incidents so important and crucial in your life that they transform your entire thought process, they transform your entire life. For me, one such incident, for us basically as a family, one such incident came in the year 2014. So this picture on the left that you see, this is actually my parents and my brother and myself back in the year 2013. This was taken somewhere in August 2013, I remember. I was in third year of my college at this point. I was still an engineering student, and my brother was in class 9th in this picture. And my father would have been somewhere around 51 years old, and my mother was, I don't remember, maybe 5, 6 years younger. All right, so that was us. On the right hand side is the shop that my father used to run. This is not how it used to look like when he used to run it. This picture I took last year only when I went to Meerut for the Shera to meet my family members. But yeah, this is the shop that he used to run. It used to be a confectionery shop when he used to run it. Okay, this is the shop that basically I call this was the bread earner of our family, right? Our entire childhood, my whole schooling has happened because of this particular shop. Our household has got run because of this shop. This is the shop where my father started sitting when he was in grade 9th only, because he was only a 10th pass. Then he left his schooling because he was never interested in studies, and he started sitting at his shop at this shop at a very young age. So he was at this shop since very, very, very way back, even when we did not exist in his world, right? So he literally, he's, I think more than maybe 70% of his life he would have spent at this shop only, considering the amount of time that he spent there. Every morning he used to go at 6 a.m. and every night he used to come back home at 10:30 p.m. So उसके बाद घर आके सो जाते थे. There was no Saturday, there was no Sunday. We barely saw our father, okay? If we had to see our father, we had to go and sit at the shop with him, me and my brother. And we as a family always saw scarcity because it was a very small shop. Most of the time he was taking loans to fill the shop with products so that he could sell something. Or kirana store tha, kirana store, that too in Meerut, in a very small city. It was not like we were doing well off, तो छोड़ो, हम बिल्कुल basic level से भी नीचे आते थे. That was the kind of childhood we had, okay? But the one amazing thing for which I'm forever thankful to my father was that he sent me and my brother to a convent school. Like, it was the best school of Meerut that I went to. So the personality that I developed, the communication skills, the English speaking skills, I attribute to the school I went to. And I'm very thankful to my father forever for that he took that decision for me when I was not old enough to take that decision for myself, right? To send me to that school. But yes, because of all the expenses that he took care of, along with not being medically fit, because he had arthritis and his arthritis was growing year on year on year on year. By the time you see this picture, his arthritis had become so bad that after 2 3 months of when this picture was taken, he had to be admitted in the hospital in the year 2018. Sorry, in the year 2013. Towards the end of 2013, in December, he had to be admitted. He was in the hospital for only 5 days when the doctor told us that his infection in the leg had spread so bad that his left leg had to be cut off. Of course, मतलब एक ठीक ठाक चलता फिरता इंसान who was capable of doing the work. Yes, he used to be in pain, but nobody expected that his leg had to be cut off, right? मतलब left leg काट दी जाएगी. That is what they did. Few days later, he went on ventilator. The infection spread in his other body parts and his organs started failing one after the other. His brain stopped working. He was on ventilator. 20 days of being into the hospital. It was around Christmas, the worst Christmas probably of our life. He was on ventilator. And we were just praying that he comes back, and God listened. He came out of ventilator only to be hospitalized for the next 2 months more, 2 to 2.5 months more. 3 months down the line, after multiple surgeries, after multiple MRIs, after multiple treatments of different body parts, dialysis hua, lung infection hua, and God knows what all happened. Too much treatment. There was around 35 to 40 lakh rupees spent during the 3 months of him being hospitalized. Unfortunately, we could not save him. We lost him at the age of 51. He had not, guys, I can tell you, he has not enjoyed even a single good day in his life. मतलब ऐसी लाइफ जिसमें आपको सिर्फ पैसे की तंगी देखी आपने. यू सॉ फाइनेंशियल क्रंच, यू सॉ मॉनेटरी क्रंच, यू सॉ यू डिड नॉट गिव टाइम टू फैमिली, यू सॉ इमोशनल क्रंच, यू सॉ हेल्थ क्रंच. मतलब आपकी हेल्थ इतनी खराब है कि आप उसी से परेशान हो सारा दिन. दैट वॉज द काइंड ऑफ लाइफ दैट माई फादर लिव्ड, एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली बाय द टाइम I came to that realization, it was too late. Or anyone came to that realization, it was too late. We lost him. And over the course of next few years, when we lost him, the natural responsibility of taking care of the family, especially the household expenses, came on me. Because my mother went into a severe form of depression. It was not like, for me and my brother, it was not like losing one parent. It was like having another parent who was lifeless. एक पेरेंट हमने खो दिया, दूसरा पेरेंट लाइफलेस हो गया. She was not speaking, she's not eating, she's not drinking, she's not even crying, she's not talking. She's in depression. And my brother was in school. अब मुझे पता नहीं मैं बात किससे करूं. I used to go to Gurudwara and I used to cry. Every day I used to Gurudwara and I used to cry. कि यार भगवान जी क्या हो रहा है ये? What is this kind of life? Like, I have lost my parent, one parent. He never enjoyed anything. My other parent is not talking. My brother is too young to understand what is going on. He's taking care of rituals at an age of 15 16 of my father's death. And what is all of this happening? I was clueless how life will go on from there. The shop was closed क्योंकि कोई पैसे ही नहीं आए थे. 4 महीने दुकान बंद रही. So the shop was closed. There was zero income that we had as a family. Yes, I used to take home tuitions, guys. I used to take home tuitions. So that was a resort कि हाँ 10-15 हज़ार रुपए मैं महीने के वो बना लेती थी. So वही था बस एक जरिया उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे घर चलाने का. And I used to stay in Delhi. My mother and my brother used to stay in Meerut. I used to always be worried कि यार वो लोग कैसे रह रहे होंगे, मेरा भाई कैसे रह रहा होगा, because my mother is not in the mental zone to do anything. So we as a family made a decision. It was me basically. I forcefully made a decision that all of us are going to stay in Gurgaon. एक साथ रहेंगे, मरे जिए कैसे भी रहें, रो पिट के रहें. We are going to stay in Gurgaon together. So we shifted to Gurgaon. All right, we shifted to Gurgaon, and we had even a more worse life than Meerut because Gurgaon was more expensive. And over the course of next few years, guys, I can tell you it was a living hell. I saw the 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 biggest money problems that I would have seen in my entire life. क्योंकि घर भी चलाना है, you have to take care of every single expense. You have to stay in an expensive city like Gurgaon. You don't have anyone to support you at all. You have to repay the debt also that you have taken because of all the expenses that have happened in the last few years. It was hell. But the best thing that happened in those years was that my mind started shaping, it started giving, I don't know where that strength came from, but that strength started coming into me that this is not how my life is going to go. This is not how कीड़े मकोड़ों वाली life me and my family are going to live forever. ऐसा नहीं होगा. If my father has provided for me all his life, he has taken loans, he has literally sacrificed his life to send me to the best school, to college, to get me educated, I would not give this kind of result to the rest of my family that I have. कि मतलब basic mediocre गरीबों वाली life. No, that's not how we are going to live. So I personally started working on myself. I started watching motivational videos. I even became a part of network marketing industry for a while. वहाँ जाके anyway they teach you to see big dreams and goals. So my visualization increased that yeah, you can make more money. And meanwhile I was working on reading books, watching videos, learning for free from wherever possible, seeing wealthy people किस type की बातें कर रहे हैं, what are they doing differently. I came across the best human being in my life. Like literally, I think this is the second God, the second God in my life, second father figure in my life, I would say, that God sent in my life. This is my coach. This is my coach. His name is Akash Garg. Some of you guys were asking me on day one. Uh, I mean, the level of respect I hold for him, I can't describe in words because God sent him into my life at that time when knew nothing, I had no potential in me. I was only trying out different things. I was just figuring out मुझे करना क्या है. I was not sure. I was just wanting to be wealthy, but I was not. I was clueless. कोई belief नहीं था, कोई confidence नहीं था. I used to look average. I used to act average. ठीक है. This is the guy who literally showed me a different way altogether. And today I'm not a six figure, I'm a seven figure business owner. So, guys, this is the person who taught me that Sonal, you are not meant for smaller things in life. You have something in you, and that needs to be unleashed. And he just unleashed, as Tony Robbins says, unleash the power within. He's the guy who did that for me. When we started working together, so this is my book that he's holding in his hand. When we started working together, I started creating YouTube videos, I started creating Instagram videos. I just had a different form of zeal in me. Like the screenshots that I've attached, right? These are from videos that I created back in 2020, 2021. This is how I used to look like. It was COVID time, no eyebrow was made, facial expressions were also not there. But yes, somewhere he made me start. 2022 was the year when it was already a few months of me working along with him. You know, I could launch my own first book. So this is the book launch on the left hand side that I did. Right hand side, again, I was speaking on one of the events as a speaker. These are a few happy readers of my book. The best thing that I did, in the next few years after that was that I could purchase the first house on my own completely. And guys, we purchased it in the year 2022, and I'm so proud to tell you that I've already repaid the loan that we took for this house. Just think about it. Today I'm loan free. Like I literally have no loan on top of my head, right? इतना सही फील होता है ना. Like ऐसा लगता है ना that you have no burden. Whatever money comes to you is yours, boss. There's no one who's waiting. अच्छा 20,000 दे दो, 25,000 दे दो, 1 लाख दे दो. No, nobody is waiting. All money that comes to you is yours, right? So this has happened. This has happened because of course, the effort. And I'm not boasting, guys. I'm one of the most hardworking persons you will ever meet. It all comes because you have a zeal, because you have a reason, and you work super hard to make those true for yourself. All right. So yes, of course, the house is in the name of my husband and myself. So we bought it as a family. But yes, I was the one who paid every single rupee for this particular house. So that's the proud feeling that I have. All right. So we could give my mother a vacation back in Europe in 2023. Thankfully, as a family, again, it was the four of us. my husband, my son, my mother, and my and myself. So we had a trip across Europe. We also purchased our own first car back in the year 2024. Very recently, in November last year, we could purchase it. So, guys, a lot of transformation has come from where life looked like. If you ask me कि जब पापा गए थे तब से लेके it's been like he left us in 2014 and it's 2025, so it's been 11 years. But I think I can safely say that I remember him every day. मतलब हर दिन मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि यार काश कुछ कर दिया होता उनके लिए टाइम रहते हुए. I wish he was still with us. Of course, I don't remember him in a bad way. I remember him in this way that his death gave me one of the biggest breakthroughs in my life, to be honest, which is that mediocrity is a curse. Mediocrity can take away your life. तो कुछ भी हो जाए लाइफ में पैसे की कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Because उनकी लाइफ गई because of shortage of money. It was not arthritis that killed him. Come on यार, arthritis में लोग 80-90 की साल तक भी जी जाते हैं. It was not arthritis. It was the shortage of money. It was the emotional pressure. It was the stress. It was the constant stress of repaying to people that took away his life. Right? So I have made this a mission, guys. I have made this a mission in my life that shortage of money is not going to cause a problem in anyone's life when they come and meet me. I will empower you to that extent कि और चीजों की दिक्कतें अलग बातें हैं, बट मनी शुड नॉट रिमेन अ प्रॉब्लम इन योर लाइफ. दैट इज द पर्सन आई वुड लाइक टू बी इन योर लाइफ, गाइज. ऑफ कोर्स, इफ यू गिव मी अ चांस टू वर्क along with you, which you've given me already for these 3 days, and I'm super grateful to you for that, because this is the mission that I'm working on. And thank you so much for listening about me that I was telling you. Now, the money that I have made, or the transformation that I have brought about in my family, or the security that we have attained as a family in terms of money, is is not only because I have made money, right? It's because there are so many of my clients who've gotten massive breakthroughs. Because why would a person pay me money if I'm not creating any kind of a difference in their lives, right? So there have been massive, massive breakthroughs that people have gotten, and they've literally paid me huge amounts of money in return for the kind of transformations that people have gotten. So, guys, EFT is one of the most amazing magical tools, and I have learned EFT from Akash only, who's my coach. Almost everything that I've learned in coaching is from Akash, right? Everything about coaching particularly that I've learned, everything, like the whole transformation in every cell of my body that I've gotten is because of my coach. And I truly believe that having a coach is one of the most crucial, the right coach also, not just any coach. Having the right coach, the right mentor, someone who you hold, you and them should hold the same values. Me and Akash, I believe, hold the same values. Serve, 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 serve. Those are the kind of values that he has taught me, and those are the ones that I hold. So I'm basically sort of a copy of him in my own head, right? So, guys, the person that you become along with the right coach, you nothing can match that. That is the best investment that you can make in yourself at any point of time in your life. The kind of breakthroughs I've seen people having, there are people who've come to me like Geeta. She was barely making any money in her network marketing work. She came to me, she did a few days of EFT with me, and she said that in the first week of doing EFT with me, she said, I earned 25K in 1 week. Now what changed? What changed? Her money energy changed, her focus changed, her commitment levels changed, her you can say the ideas that were coming into her head changed, and the reality of money changed, right? Anurag, he came to me when he came to me, he's a doctor by profession, and he was struggling in his profession, but a few days of EFT and his total income increased by 25% in just 2 months. Not regular EFT, few days of EFT in 2 months, and his total income increased by 25%. Good, right? People have gotten back money where they were not expecting it. Shreya came to me unclear कि कैसे होगा, क्या करना है. She was not clear in her life. EFT gave her that clarity that she's really inclined towards real estate consulting. She gave it a shot, and today she's working in Gurgaon itself as a very successful real estate consultant at a very young age of 26, right? Again, Khushbu came to me as a housewife. She was not clear what do I want to do. I mean, she wanted to be a coach, but she was not clear how do I convince my family in order for me to become a coach. We let go of all her limiting beliefs. She discussed it with her family, and today again she's making amazing money when it comes to her as a coach, along with taking care of the family. So guys, this was a little bit about my story and a few people, very few people I've shown you who've made massive, massive, massive difference in their life, right? अगर मैं आपको बोलूं that do you also want to earn more money and get rid of any limitations, would you want to work with me to get rid of any of the limitations that your mind is holding today? क्योंकि कोई भी लिमिटेशन ना इट्स नॉट कॉज्ड बाय अदर पीपल, इट्स नॉट कॉज्ड बाय एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स गाइज, इट्स हेयर. I was telling you, na, this can be the biggest asset and this can be the biggest liability also, right? Your own brain, your own mind. So when your mind is causing limitations, it's acting as a liability. You can convert it into an asset, guys, right? I can see a lot of you guys are saying yes. So let me explain you where your mind is keeping you trapped, guys. आपका दिमाग आपको trap कहाँ पे करके रखता है? And this one slide is one of the most important slides that I want to show you, क्योंकि इसमें ही आपकी problems और solutions हैं, right? Number one problem that majority people face is because, see, all of this is subconscious programming, guys. Okay? ऐसा नहीं है दैट it's conscious. This is subconscious programming, your unsupportive conditioning that you've received since your childhood. हमें जो सिखाया गया है ना बचपन से, which is probably not useful, which is probably of no use in terms of making money. What the society has taught us, what school has not taught us, yeah, the colleges have not taught us about money. All of that wrong conditioning is still causing a very deep impact. You may not realize it, but जो आपके साथ बचपन से लेके अब तक हुआ है ना, that has a very huge role in your current state in life. पता है? Right? So, yes, the unsupportive conditioning that you have received in the childhood subconsciously without even being aware needs to be removed. जैसे मैं बचपन से क्या देख के प्रोग्राम हुई थी that my father stays ill, still he has to work 16-17 hours every day. इतनी मेहनत, इतनी मेहनत, इतनी मेहनत, उसके बाद भी एक बैडमिंटन रैकेट तक नहीं दिलाया था पापा ने मुझे बचपन में. Not that I'm blaming him. ठीक है, अब समझ में आता है ना हाउ मजबूर ही वॉज, ही वुड हैव वांटेड बट ही कुड नॉट गिव मी, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू. एंड clients come to me who say, like, there was a client who very honestly, so sweetly, came to me and said, Sonal, पता है मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा ड्रीम क्या है? That I take my 5-year-old daughter to Hamleys and she can purchase anything that she wants. My heart broke. My heart broke कि यार इंसान कितना लाचार हो सकता है दैट वो अपने बच्चे को खिलौना दिलाना चाहता है and he is not able to purchase खिलौने. Like right now I have a lump in my throat while I was telling you this example. Guys, money is a real problem. And I literally feel lumps in my throat, and I feel it in my heart when people come up to me and say that सोनल पैसे की प्रॉब्लम है यार लाइफ में सॉल्व करा दो. एंड आई गेट सो मेनी पीपल एवरी डे सेइंग दिस. एंड गाइज आई एम टेलिंग यू इट्स ऑल इन योर हेड. It can change. Yes, the effort is required. And that person, Hamle's person, again, it breaks my heart that I have followed up with that guy so many times. And every time he says that, Sonal, मैं इसमें busy हो गया, उसमें busy हो गया, sorry, I'm procrastinating. अरे यार, one day you say that आपकी बेटी को आप Hamleys ले जाना चाहते हो, you want to take your 5-year-old and it has been 6 months that guy is procrastinating. यार गुस्सा नहीं आएगा फिर? Think about it. मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है फिर कि यार somebody wants to help you, but if you will not want to help yourself out, then कैसे होगा? So guys, I'm wanting to give you that example so that you understand that it's going to be two-sided. A coach is going to see, why could Akash help me? And probably so many other people have not been able to get help despite taking coaching, because it always works two ways, guys, okay? If I would extend one hand towards you, I would also extend at least a few fingers towards me, right? It would never be only one hand, all right? So guys, whatever I'm explaining will only work if we both join hands to solve these problems, okay? So, unsupportive conditioning is a big reason. The second big reason that most people stay trapped in their lives is because of their past failures and traumas. ठीक है कि उनके past failures, उनके past traumas, whatever has happened in the past keeps coming in the way. Like I have clients who say, Sonal, I had a breakup 5 years back, but I still can't forget that girl. So अब मैं पैसे भी नहीं कमा पा रहा क्योंकि 5 साल पहले मेरे को एक लड़की छोड़ के चली गई थी. Now that's a trauma. And they're still holding it since 5 years. Maybe the love was too deep. I'm not judging, I'm not laughing at that individual. I'm saying these are real reasons. Maybe something happened with you also. Maybe a business partner cheated you. Maybe you lost some money in share market. Maybe you had maybe you lost money because of a fraud, of a scam. So because of those past, you're still holding it कि हर कोई future में ऐसा ही मिलेगा मुझे. I will never find the right person in my future also, right? The third reason is resistance that people have when it comes to setting big goals. क्योंकि सिखाया ही नहीं गया हमें to think big, to grow big. So we always feel अरे 1 CR बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट है यार 1 CR है ना. Are you serious सोनल? होम लोन के बिना घर? पागल हो क्या? Like home loan के बिना घर कौन लेता है? We would never have enough money in our bank account to be able to buy a home without a loan, right? So this is all conditioning, man. ये conditioning ही तो है और क्या है? क्यों नहीं हो सकता? The fourth trap that our mind is causing is fears and limitations, man. इतने fears हैं हमारे दिमाग में, कदम कदम पे डर लगता है हमें. अगर हमने Instagram reel बना दी and some unknown person sitting in Nigeria comments bullshit, oh my god, I will lose all my trust in myself that day. अरे that person is bullshit, delete the comment, ignore, move on. एंड जितने कमेंट्स आएंगे पता है इंस्टाग्राम रील उतनी ज्यादा अच्छी चलती है. आने दो, मैं तो कहती हूँ आने दो. अरे बुलशिट, बेकार, कूड़ा, ये वो, कम, लेट देम कम. योर इंस्टाग्राम विल गो इवन मोर वायरल and then delete all of them once it goes viral. So boss, you have to understand that 95% people will always troll, will always try to bring you down. बट इतने डर दिमाग में लेके काम करोगे तो एनर्जी तो लिमिटेड है ना. गाइस वी वेक अप विद अ लिमिटेड एनर्जी जार, ओके? It's filled every morning. Every morning, let's say you wake up, you have this jar filled with 100% energy. Now imagine where do you spend that 100% energy is up to you. अब कई लोग पता है किस में स्पेंड करते हैं 100% एनर्जी? उसने मुझे ये बोल दिया, इसने ये कर दिया, मेरे बच्चे का ये हो गया, वो हो गया, वो हो गया. बाय द टाइम यू कम टू वर्क, इतनी सी एनर्जी बची है. What क्या कर लोगे उसमें? Will you make sales calls? Will you make presentations? Will you be able to go out? Will you do marketing? Because 90% एनर्जी तो आपने बर्बाद चीजों में खर्च कर दी. इंस्टाग्राम पे देख रहे हो रणबीर कपूर और आलिया भट्ट की लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. अरे कुछ भी चल रहा हो यार. हाउ इज दैट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू? राइट? ओ व्हाट वाज ऐश्वर्या राय's एयरपोर्ट लुक? दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू पीपल. अरे भाई कुछ भी चल रहा हो, why do you care? Like I see people talking about crap all day. People are not speaking about books, about podcasts, about what they learned, about financial education, about taxes, about how do we grow, about side hustles, about business. ये बातें ही नहीं हो रही, बेकार बातें हो रही हैं. सिगरेट पी रहे हैं स्ट्रेस को भुलाने के लिए. अरे कुछ अच्छा कर लो स्ट्रेस भुलाने के लिए यार. योगा कर लो, मेडिटेशन कर लो. But guys, this is the difference. This is the difference, right? Sometimes trauma around us depresses us. Summer, you have to understand how do you then take care of the trauma around you, okay? You have to work on that. That's what I'm saying. This will all require work on yourself, guys. Okay? The fifth biggest reason majority people stay trapped is because of low self-worth and low self-deservingness. The reason that we are speaking today, right? Which is the third biggest money block that we spoke about. So guys, these 5 core reasons, if you can let go, I'm telling you, if you can let go of these 5 core reasons, अपने दिलो दिमाग से निकाल के अगर बाहर फेंक सकते हो ना, I can tell you your energy jar, 90% of energy, चलो 10% probably will still go on nonsense things. ठीक है? You will have to waste it here and there. But 90% of the energy still you will be able to retain on productive tasks, on work that helps you make more money, on work that helps you grow, on giving presentations, on coming on camera, on being creative, on creating YouTube videos, on doing something which helps you grow in life. Because अभी आपकी एनर्जी ड्रेन हो रही है सब में. How many of you got a breakthrough in the slide that भाई मेरी सारी एनर्जी तो यहीं चली जाती है, सास ने ये कर दिया, बहू ने ये कर दिया, है ना, मम्मी जी, पापा जी, बच्चे, भाई बहन, then where will you have energy left? Think about it na. Where will you have energy left to do the real work? Think about it, guys. Just take 10 seconds and be on this slide and try to see, isn't that what is happening in our lives? Victim mentality, blaming others, yeah, not looking inside what is lagging and what to improve. All of our energy is getting wasted. Today I was traveling by a cab. I was bringing my son from daycare to home. It was a 25 minutes way. ठीक है, आई एम टेलिंग यू 25 मिनट्स मेरा ना ऐसा हो गया. The guy who was driving, I'm just giving you a very random example because it came to my head suddenly. That guy who was driving, he had a speaker on and he was talking to some lady. And that lady for 25 minutes kept telling him stories about neighborhood. इस औरत ने मुझे आके ये, एंड देवर जाट्स, नो ऑफेंस टू एनीवन, बट वो अपनी उस, मैं क्योंकि गुड़गांव में रहती हूँ एंड इट्स लाइक हरियाणवी टोन में, शी वॉज टोटली स्पीकिंग अबाउट कि अरे उसने मेरे को ये कर दिया, उसने वो, उसने, उसकी बीवी ने ये, उसकी लुगाई ये, उसकी वो. आई वाज लाइक what bullshit, what crap, why is she speaking about all of that? Like literally, why do people keep speaking about stupid things, right? Because majority people are like that, guys. So we have to get out of that mindset. We have to stop draining our energy and we have to focus our energy on something that brings the results, that brings money, that brings calmness, that brings security, that brings freedom. Guys, if you have to tell me, ye 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? If let's say the first box is 1, left to right, 1 to 5 on your screen, where do you think, what are your blocks out of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are blocking you? Okay, come on, tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 में tell me what are your biggest blocks. Is it all 5? Is it 1, 2, 3? Is it 2, 3, 5? And I'm telling you, all are connected to each other, okay? सब वैसे connected हैं एक दूसरे से. It's not like they are not interconnected. All are interconnected somewhere, but yeah, something would have a bigger influence, something would have a lesser influence, okay? To answer your question, Amar, I'm sorry, but I am not really an expert in the area of, birth chart and planetary position. Probably someone who's into astrology can help you better with that, okay? So I would not be able to comment on that. I'm more around emotions, working with your emotions rather than what your birth chart says. All right, so 4, 5, 2, 4. All right, a lot of you guys have written down your answers. So, guys, for whatever reason you are stuck, okay, whatever reason you are stuck out of these 5 issues, I have a solution for you where I can help you. How do you get out of these issues? How many of you would like that solution from me? Okay, how many of you would like that solution from me? Type a yes in the chat box. In the form of tapping, of course, okay? So what I have done, I have created 25 in-depth tapping routines for each of those core 5 issues. Okay? So in total, there are 5 core issues that I'm discussing here, जो आपकी energy drain कर रहे हैं आज. If you can remove this energy drain from your life, 90-95% of your energy you can focus on money making activities. You can focus on yourself, you can focus on your growth, and you will not imagine how immensely the amount of money that is coming into your life can grow, right? I can see a lot of you guys are saying yes. Yes, 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 yes. A lot of people are saying yes. That's why I joined this session. All right. Yes. So guys, I'm going to speak about that in a while. But before that, let's get into tapping now. Okay, it's time to do a little bit. We'll do a small tapping today. And then we are going to go into what is the solution for those core 5 issues. All right. Kare? Okay. So what is the tapping going to be on today? The self-worth and the doubts that keep coming into the head, right? I told you on day 1 and day 2 that tapping is always around a particular issue. We have to first bring the issue into the consciousness so that you know you're aware of the problem. क्योंकि problem नहीं पता होगी तो solution कैसे पता करेंगे, right? So the problem has to be known first. So, guys, I want you to bring into your consciousness the doubts that you have about yourself, about you going out in the market, serving other people. Whatever doubts come into your head, right? Think about them right now. Don't think that the law of attraction is going to make them bigger. Come on, ऐसा नहीं सोचना है. Think about what are some of the doubts that you have. And then on a scale of 1 to 10, please rate the intensity of the doubt that you have. ठीक है? On a scale of 1 to 10, please rate the intensity of the doubt, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest. Lowest क्या होता है? थोड़ा सा डाउट है, ज्यादा नहीं है मुझे अपने ऊपर. 10 is like, Sonal, the doubts are too often coming. It's like maybe a constant thing in my head. I'm always overthinking, right? Okay. Self-worth is directly proportional to money in life. Yeah, yeah. Actually, it's the opposite. Money is directly proportional to the self-worth in life. Think about it, right? हमें क्या लगता है कि 50,000 रुपए कमाने वाली की वर्दीनेस कम होगी 5 लाख वाले से, है ना? Because 5 lakhs person has 10 times worthiness than 50,000 person. But the 50,000 person can build up a self-worth of 5 CR also and go up to 5 CR also. So it's not like the money that you make that determines your self-worth. It's actually the worthiness that you associate with yourself that determines the money that you make. Guys, this is a very important statement. It's not the money that determines your self-worth. It's the self-worth that you have today that determines the amount of money you make in the future. All right, please remember that, and that is why it's important कि self-worth build करनी है. ठीक है? So what we are going to do, we are going to build a self-worth worth maybe crores right now in the tapping that we do, so that एक बार वो belief आ जाए, एक बार वो buts हट जाए ना हमारी life से, that I want to make this but. Let's remove those buts from our life, okay? Cool? Can we do that? Everyone ready? Cool. So let's go ahead. Let's do some tapping on worthiness. And guys, today's session is going to last until up to around 9:30 p.m. Is that fine for everyone, right? I already told you on day one that today's session is going to be 1 hour 30 minutes. All right, cool. So let's go ahead. Let's start tapping, starting from the karate chop point. Okay, everyone, let's go. Even though I have certain doubts in my head about my ability to grow, I still choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes I feel I'm not too sure whether I have it in me to make it big in life or not, I still choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though there are some questions that I have about my ability to grow and succeed in life, I still choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself. Let's move to the eyebrow point. There are doubts that keep coming into my head, which keep bothering me. You know, doubts whether I can succeed, doubts whether people are going to pay me, doubts what do I even sell in the market, doubts whether my current job, where I barely get any increment, or the increment is too low, will I be able to make my dreams come true there? You know, doubts like, why will someone invest in me? What do I have in me? Why will someone trust in me? Why would someone want to purchase something from me? And even if they want to, will I be able to bring any value in their lives? And there are thousands of such questions that keep going on in my head. And I don't understand what to do with these questions because these doubts are clouding my head. These doubts are constantly running in my head. And you know what's happening? They're draining my energy. Every morning I wake up with a certain level of energy. All during the day, I think. I'll do this, I'll do that. But then something or the other keeps coming. And then this pattern has been repeating in my life for years. Every year I take resolutions, but every year I break them. Every time I think, no, I'm going to start a side hustle. Maybe I do it for a few days and then I stop. Maybe some failures come, some rejections come, and then I'm like, maybe I'm not made for it. I don't do it long enough for it to come to a fruition. But is it is it the way I want my life to be? Because if this is the way I'm going to continue in my life, then probably those dreams are going to stay far away. Then probably those achievements that I really want, those two, three things, aspirations, goals that I have, which I want to make true at every cost, maybe they will never come true. And do I want to go to my deathbed and say to God that, God, please send me back for maybe just 5 or 10 more years, and this time I promise I will live my life better. This time I promise I will make things better. That's not going to happen, my friend. That has never happened and that will never happen. But the best part about life is that we still have time left. We are still not where we have to request time from God. We already have it. And that's a blessing. That's a blessing that so few people have in life. And I have it. I have it today. So I only have two choices from here on. Choice number one is just give up on my dreams, give up on my goals, and decide that I'm not worthy of anything great in my life and lead a mediocre life. And be probably okay with it. Accept that mere bas ki nahi hai and I'm not going to put any effort also. Or the second choice is to not accept mediocrity, is to not accept that I'm meant for smaller things in life, is to make it a point that come what may, at whatever cost it comes, be it at the cost of sleeping less, be it at the cost of maybe for a few years spending lesser time enjoying, maybe spending lesser time with the people I love. Sometimes that is needed, right? If I want to achieve something worthwhile, maybe I'll have to adjust my routine so that I can find more time to work on my dreams, hustle. But know that this is the life that I want and I'm going to go to any cost to make it possible. Because you know what? When the universe, when the God sees that you have become crazy, mental, crazy, literally crazy, and adamant about your dreams, then even God pushes the right people, the right opportunities into your way to make it happen for you. The God also helps those who help themselves. So, yes, if you are in a testing phase and you quit, you will not give God the Almighty the opportunity to send the right people, right opportunities in your life. But if you are in a testing phase and you stay on the field and you keep on playing, you will not know when God will send the right kind of people and the right kind of opportunities, and you will thrive in life. And that's exactly what I would like to do. That's exactly who I would like to be, right? I would like to thrive in my life. I would like to really make all of my dreams come true, and not just mine. I would love to provide for the people around me. I would love to provide for the society, for the nature, for the animals, for the trees, for whoever I want to do something. I would do that at every cost. And I would love to believe starting today that it's doable and that I can make it possible. There have been people who did not have even as much resources as I have. There have been people who have built fortunes without the power of internet. Then imagine I'm living in a world where internet, where social media has made making money just a click away. And if even today in the world of YouTube, where every resource is available at my fingertip, I say, I don't know, that simply means I'm making excuses. It simply means I'm being non-resourceful. It simply means it's not important for me. It simply means that, I'm cooking khayali pulao. It simply means I have dreams, but I have zero capacity to make goals and make them come true. And I'm not that person, right? I am a person who does not just have dreams, but who wants to make them true also. I'm not someone who just says, I'm someone who does. So, yes, from today, I'm becoming a doer. From today, I'm becoming a massive action taker. From today, I'm becoming a hustler. From today, I'm believing that whatever people say or think about me is bullshit. Nothing matters except what I think and say and I do. Whatever other people say is nothing, it does not matter as long as they are my well wishers and as long as they are my mentors and coaches who think well for me. Other than that, every second person's individual's opinions do not matter, and I'm not going to pay any heed to that. I am the one who's going to control my emotional, mental, and financial state. And I'm ready to start doing that from today. I'm ready to start believing that money is all around me and it can come into my life very well. I'm ready to start believing that there's abundance all around me and it can come into my life. I'm ready to welcome prosperity and abundance with an open heart and with both my arms wide, wide open. I'm ready to believe from today that there's a lot of money that can come into my life too, because I'm no less, because I'm an ethical person and I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm going to provide value and I'm going to charge in return. And there's no harm in doing that. I'm ready to start charging money for the value that I serve. And I'm sure that money is going to right there come along my way. I'm ready to become a hustler and a massive action taker from today. I'm ready to become a hustler and a massive action taker from today. All right, guys, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Okay, take a deep breath, guys, and relax. And whenever you're ready, just slowly open up your eyes. All right. All right. Are we back? Are we back, guys? Let me know, how are you feeling now? Anyone who still feels doubtful कि भाई मेरे बस की नहीं है सोनल, मुझसे तो नहीं होगा, टाटा बाय बाय. Anyone who still feels like that? Okay. Very enthusiastic. Vibration is on. I always feel a little drowsy after tapping. Uh, yeah, it's for some people that's the way of an emotional release. So I would not say that's not possible. That's absolutely fine. Now onwards, I'm a massive action taker. Okay. Crown blossoming with violet waves. Oh my God. Suddenly, I felt my bad emotions trigger. All right. Feeling good, energized, relaxed. Headache is better. Ready to roar. Amazing. Cool. All right, guys. Very powerful. So, anyone who still feels any doubt, I have another offer for you in that case. मैं आपको एक बड़ा अच्छा ऑफर दूंगी जिनको लगता है कि उनके they are of zero worth. Anyone who wants that offer? Anyone? Type a yes. Who feel that I am not worthy, Sonal? Give me another way out. Give me an easy way. मेरे को कुछ आसान तरीका बताओ पैसे कमाने का. Can I tell you an easy way? Two people want it. दीपक, शीजा, रोहिणी. ठीक है, आसान. जिनको लग रहा है कि हमारी कोई वर्थ नहीं है इस दुनिया में, वी आर वर्थलेस पीपल, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. ओके, सॉरी टू बी सेइंग दैट, बट यू गाइज आर ओनली सेइंग yes. I did not say yes. You are only saying yes, we are worthless people, so give us another thing. There's no way like that. ठीक है, मैं आपको फिर भी देती हूँ एक. सो आई हैव एन ऑफर फ्रॉम अ दुबई शेख. ठीक है. सो देयर इज एन ऑफर फ्रॉम अ दुबई. येस्टरडे अ दुबई शेख केम इन माई लाइफ एंड ही वॉज टेलिंग मी, सोनल मेरे ना बच्चों की आंखें नहीं है दोनों. ठीक है. आई माई चाइल्ड डज नॉट हैव बोथ ऑफ हिज आईज. डू यू हैव एनी वन हु कैन डोनेट बोथ ऑफ देयर आईज? आई कैन पे देम 10 CR. I can pay them 10 CR. I would just want both of their eyes. So people who feel they are worthless over here, would you like to donate both of your eyes for 10 CR in return? क्योंकि आप खुद तो बना नहीं पाओगे 10 करोड़. So हम उस दुबई वाले शेख से ले लेते हैं. Anyone over here who said yes, we are worthless? Would you like to donate guys both of your eyes in return? Because क्या करोगे, भला कर दो ना किसी का. भला कर देते हैं किसी का 10 करोड़ में. आपकी फैमिली का भला हो जाएगा. अच्छा चलो, आई कैन नेगोशिएट विद द दुबई दुबई गाय. आई कैन से दैट अरे इतने पैसे हैं, 20 करोड़ दे दो. 10 करोड़ फॉर ईच आई. गाइस कम ऑन. कम ऑन एनीवन. एनीवन हु. हे वाली बात नहीं है ये. कम ऑन गाइस, एनीवन हु वांट्स टू गिव बोथ ऑफ देयर आईज फॉर 20 CR, 40 CR, 60 CR. ही इज अ गुड फ्रेंड, आई कैन नेगोशिएट. Okay, so some people are getting ready. See, some people are like big nose, guys. क्यों कह रहे हो फिर that you are worthless? Think about it. आप अपनी आंख तो देने के लिए रेडी हो नहीं. Because you know there's like infinite worth associated with you. 20 करोड़ आप ऐसे कमा लोगे, अपनी आंख क्यों दोगे उसके लिए किसी को? Think about it ना. With both of your eyes you can make so much money. 20 CR आप कमा के दे दोगे उसको. Right? Guys, please understand. Each one of you over here has infinite worth. हाउ कैन आई मेक यू एक्सप्लेन दैट? इफ यू स्टिल फील कि मेरे बस की नहीं है तो फिर कर दो, दान दे दो. कम से कम परिवार का भला हो जाए, किसी और का भला हो जाए, क्योंकि आप तो कर नहीं पाओगे कुछ लाइफ में. आई एम सॉरी इफ आई एम मेकिंग एनीवन फील बैड, बट दिस इज इंटेंशनल गाइज. आई वांट टू वेक यू अप. Everyone over here has that potential. Please, you need to understand that. मैं तो कभी ना दूं अपना बॉडी का एक भी पार्ट किसी को. मैं उससे कितना ज्यादा कमा सकती हूँ ऑनेस्टली, राइट? Because literally there is so much that is there in you guys. Okay. Now still anyone over here who says भाई मेरे बस की तो कुछ नहीं है, I can't ever achieve anything. अच्छा, बाल बाल की कोई क्यों देगा आपको 20 CR? You could have asked for our hair probably. Come on. मैं बाल दे दूंगी अपने 20 CR के लिए, ले लो. वो मैं भी दे सकती हूँ. Come on guys. So think about it. That was intentional, of course, right? So guys, now coming back to the presentation that we had, we have little time left. So coming back, I hope each one of you is now feeling worthy enough, right? I hope I made my point clear. And I hope I made my point clear that each one of you is worthy enough of making whatever amount of money you want to be making. ठीक है? Now what's the way forward from here? What's the way forward, guys? अब ये 3 दिन में we learned what is EFT. We learned how EFT works. We learned okay how EFT creates magic, right? We learned how EFT basically works on your emotions, and you know it brings basically results within minutes. आपने मेरे साथ देख लिया. We did probably 5-7 minutes of tapping on all the 3 days, you know, each, and you saw that how your energy levels go infinitely up when you do EFT, right? How many of you felt that level of experience that हाँ यार, मतलब थोड़ा 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 भी अगर हम EFT every single day if we can start doing, literally our mind can get washed. You'll be brainwashed, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't your brain getting washed with EFT that you do? Or maybe just looking at me for a while and just being in this space. Now imagine if you can be in this space for a longer period of time. In the mental space, see, I'm not going to take 1 hour of your time each day. I'm sure a lot of us have a lot of more things to do, right? So, if I can take a little bit of your time every day, guys, would you like to give me a little bit of your time every day for the next few weeks at least? So that I can, जो भी बचा कुचा अंदर मन में दिमाग में भरा हुआ है ना जो निकालना चाहते हो, we can get rid of that. All right? Okay, so a lot of you guys are saying yes. So what's the way forward from here, guys? You would have to allow me to handhold you. Okay. When I say handhold you, one way forward from here, which a lot of people can choose, would be that Sonal, 3 दिन में जो हमने सीखा, we are now going to practice it on our own. Another kind of people over here would be that no, we would want to continue this journey along with you, and we would like you to be our coach. Okay. So would you like me to be your coach? Would you like to give me that? Please type coach in the chat box, guys. Type coach so that I know how many of you guys would like me to be your coach over the course of next few weeks, months, or maybe for lifetime if you want to give me that privilege. I would love to. Like मैंने दिल से एक कोच मान लिया है अपनी लाइफ में. If you would want me to be that person for you, it would be the biggest honor in life that you can literally give to me, to be honest. क्योंकि मेरे लिए उससे ऊपर कोई दर्जा ही नहीं है लाइफ में जो मैं अपने कोच को देती हूँ. So I just know how important this particular word is in my life and what kind of importance it holds, for me to give back to you when you consider me your coach in your life. So guys, I was speaking about these 5 core issues, right? So in order for me to help you with removal of these core 5 issues, I have created a 5 weeks program which is Attract Unlimited Wealth via EFT. Thank you so much. I can see a lot of you guys wrote coach. Thank you so much for all of your love, guys. So I've created a 5 weeks program. In each of the 5 weeks, I would there are 5 core issues. So in each of the week, I'm going to discuss one core issue with you. Okay, so one core issue in each of the 5 weeks. I'm going to help you work on. It's a video-based course where it's valued at 15,000, but I'm not going to charge you this much price. It's going to be at a significantly discounted price. But if you ask me the real value of it, it's literally worth lakhs. क्योंकि अगर आपने if you can get rid of these 5 core issues from your life, I was telling you, right, 95% of your energy is going to be on activities that make you real money. Going out, making sales calls, doing presentations, creating social media posts, doing whatever work is required, finding clients, getting business, working with them, doing closures. वो real काम होता है ना. बाकी तो सब बेकार की चीजें होती हैं जो लाइफ में और चल रही होती हैं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग फैमिली इज बेकार और समथिंग. आई एम सिंपली सेइंग इन वर्क all the distractions that come which drain your energy are all useless. So this negative energy that you get all through the day during the work which drains your energy, अगर आप 10 घंटे बैठे हो तो आप मे बी फोकस 2 घंटे ही कर रहे हो because all remaining 8 hours your mind is distracted. That is going to go away. All right, if you work along with me. I have a few special bonuses with you which are applicable along with the program. Number 1 bonus is, along with the video based program, I want to give you an audio based program. Same, it's the same tapping routines that I have in the video, just in the form of audio. अब मैं क्यों दे रही हूँ ये because I know there are a lot of people over here who probably are more inclined towards podcasts, right? जैसे मैं भी हूँ ऐसी, like while I'm walking, while I'm in a cab, or while I'm here and there, I maximum of my times, unless my son is disturbing me, maximum of my times I have my headphones on and I'm listening to a podcast so that something good keeps going on in my head and I get ideas for my future sessions. All right, so this is for those kind of people, so that on the go you can be tapping. You can be tapping in a metro also if you don't care about other people watching you, which I would never. तो आप मेट्रो पे बैठे बैठे भी टैपिंग करते हुए अपने माइंड को रिलैक्स कर सकते हो while going to work, while coming back from work, right? So second bonus that I would like to give to you is one of my personal favorites. Some people out of you were even speaking about this yesterday and mentioned that you would like to become a part. Is I would like to give you 1 month free access to my 5 a.m. EFT tapping club. ठीक है, 1 महीने का free access. उसके बाद, so it's a monthly subscription model, guys. So if you want to keep staying, and this has been running for close to 9 months now. Every morning 5 a.m. I meet you live like this. जैसे हम अभी बैठे हैं ना. Every morning 5 a.m. Now some of you would be like 5 बजे, हम तो 8-9 बजे उठते हैं, हम तो 11 बजे उठते हैं. Remember guys, you promised me at any cost. So you have to surrender. You have to surrender to the process now. If somebody, if अगर आप किसी को कोच मान रहे हो और वो आपको बोल रहा है सुबह के 5 बजे उठ के कोई चीज करना अच्छा है, that means you have to surrender and you have to do it without second questions. You have to let go of your ego. ठीक है? So guys, basically I give you 1 month free access. अब इसमें हम क्या करते हैं? It's not just about money, guys. It's not just about money. The 5 a.m. club is not only about money. It's about holistic life development. I don't want a person to only make money. I want a person to get better at their relationships also, to get better at their focus levels also, to get better at a spiritual level also. कि उसका कनेक्शन अपने आप से भी अच्छा बने, at physical level also, because that is a holistic life, right? वी डोंट वांट कि अच्छा हमारे घुटनों में दर्द हो रहा है बट हम पैसे कमा रहे हैं लाखों में, फिर हम कुछ कर भी नहीं पा रहे बिकॉज फिजिकल हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं है, राइट? सो वी हैव टू हैव अ होलिस्टिक लाइफ, राइट? सो आई मेक यू टैप सो दैट ऑल द लाइफ इश्यूज समवेयर गेट सॉर्टेड एट एन इमोशनल लेवल, राइट? बिकॉज एट एन इमोशनल लेवल इफ यू कैन गेट देम सॉर्टेड तो फिजिकल लेवल पे वो अपने आप रिजॉल्व हो जाते हैं. All right, guys, no questions so far. We have a video-based 5 weeks program and an audio-based and 1 month free access to 5 a.m. so that you can keep meeting me every day in the morning and we can start our day at the highest of the highest energy levels. Okay? The third bonus that I have for you is I also do weekly sessions. We do it on Saturdays. All right. So on Saturdays we meet and these are usually, sometimes these are tapping sessions, sometimes these are skill based sessions. When I say skill based, like sometimes it's AI, sometimes it's digital marketing, sometimes it's sales, it's marketing, something which is very relevant for everyone. राइट? अगर आपको पैसे कमाने हैं तो आपको स्किल्स तो बिल्ड करनी पड़ेंगी. So these are weekly sessions that I give to all the people in my community, like of course paid members within my community who want to keep in touch with me on a weekly basis because I'm aware not a lot of people are able to wake up in the early morning. ठीक है? पर्सनल फाइनेंस रिलेटेड भी we do, goal setting we do. I know an expert who's amazing at AI, so he does sometimes he takes sessions. I have an association with someone who is into personal finance, so sometimes he teaches budgeting and stuff. So these are the kind of topics we cover. Also, tapping is covered a lot of times over here. Okay, so that is what we do in these sessions. One-on-one call with me. See, I don't charge my one-on-one at 2000, but over here I've mentioned 2000 just as a very nominal fees. But if you register for my this program, the 5 weeks program, then I give one-on-one call to you for free. One call we can have because I do understand a lot of times you want to discuss your personal concerns with me, right? Which you're not able to during these 3 days considering the structure of this workshop. तो अगर आपको कुछ पर्सनल मुझसे डिस्कस करना है यू कैन डिस्कस ऑन अ कॉल विद मी लाइक दिस. Okay, I'll share you I'll share once you make the payment, I'll share with you a Calendly link and you can set up a call with me. Okay, so these are basically 4 bonuses which are related to EFT skill building and basically your personal healing with me in money and non-money space. The fifth bonus is something different. It's like different in the sense कि अब ये directly आपकी healing के लिए नहीं है, but this is for you to build a side hustle. Because lot of people come to me and say that Sonal, we are looking out for a way where we can monetize in the market. Can you teach us a skill that can be monetized? Absolutely, why not? I have a EFT money practitioner workshop for budding. You can say if you want to be a healer, if you want to come in the space of healing, if you want to come in, जैसे मैं करती हूँ ना what I do, if you want to come in the same space of training and coaching and healing people, then this is the workshop for you. It's a 7 hour long workshop. अभी आपने मुझे 3 घंटे देखा है, 3.5 घंटे in the last 3 days, right? If you join this one, you see me live for 7 hours over the weekend. So I do it over the weekend. It's not happening this weekend. It's happening next weekend. Okay. It's happening, I think, on 11, 12, 13 July. That's the weekend. So उस weekend पे you're going to see me for 7 hours where I'm going to teach you the skills of how you can learn EFT in depth and how you can basically heal other people using EFT at a very basic level. उसके बाद of course if you want to learn it in more depth तो वो अलग बात है, but at a basic level you will be able to get an understanding how you get into the space of EFT healing. All right, so if you see everything put together, guys, all of it comes at the cost of 80,000 approximately. If you ask me the value, the real value, it would be crossing to 3 lakhs to be honest, क्योंकि आप ये सब सीख के ना, when you basically come into the market as a brand new person, you can literally make any amount of money, right, as you want, because all of your limitations, all of your money limiting beliefs, all of your whatever, you can say negativity has been going on in your head for years and years and years, will, if that will get removed, तो आप ना एक completely different, more focused person बन जाते हो, right? So that way you can make any amount of money that somehow you have been, you know, maybe letting go or sabotaging subconsciously so far. That opportunities were coming, but you barely noticed it. क्योंकि आपके पास energy नहीं थी वो देखने की. Now, when you will get rid of all the negativity in your own head, you will have all the energy to look at the right people, right opportunities, and you'll become a hustler, a real hustler by nature. All right. So, guys, can I tell you the price? How many of you would like to know the price at which I would offer you all of these, bonuses along with the 5 weeks program? Comment a yes in the chat box, please, if you would like to know the price at which I would be offering all of this to you. All right, I can see some of you guys are typing a yes. Rajesh is taking a guess. All right, please. Yes, yes, yes. All right. So, guys, on any particular day, if you come to me, I give it to you at 999.5. However, I have a massive offer for you today. Okay. I have a massive, massive offer for you today. When I say today, it's only for the massive action takers. It's only going to be valid for the next few minutes. There's a valid offer, a very big offer that I have for you guys. And there are people who've gotten literally magical results after being a part of this program with me. Like Ananya, she got 3 magical wins in 3 days. Gaurav said that his 8 years of money habits were changed with money EFT with me for a within a very few days of doing EFT with me, specifically the morning EFT. There are people who've gotten rid of their depression issues, okay? So only for quick action takers, I'm going to reveal the final price to you guys, which is going to be valid today, which is 4995. So this is the last slide that I have for today. The final price, which is going to be valid for today, only for the massive action takers, after which the price goes up to 9995, because it's a webinar special price only for people who've stayed up with me for this time, because I know how important the solution is for you. This is the price at which I'm giving it to you. Okay. I've pasted the link. Sorry, we went a little bit overboard the time, but I hope you guys don't mind staying for a little while longer, especially if you have any questions related to this program from me. Okay, so I have pasted the Razorpay link. I'm going to share it in the WhatsApp also, Deepak. Okay, after the session gets over, but or I'm going to share it right away also in a minute. But then please let me know if you guys have any question regarding the program in general, about any of the bonuses that I've offered, any queries. Please post it in the chat box. I'm going to stay with you for a while longer to answer your queries. Okay. So I'm not sharing my screen anymore. Can you, okay, so probably I'm going to share my screen again, and I'm going to quickly tell you what is live and what is not live, so that both of your answers can be questioned. Two of your questions can be answered. Okay, so let me tell you guys, right in front of your screen, you have everything. This particular program, which is the video and the audio course, these are not live. This is a video-based program with lifetime access. Okay? With lifetime access you have, so you can practice it at any point of time you want. Why is it for 5 weeks? Because it's a weekly based program, so in 5 weeks you will be able to complete it. Okay? If you speak about 5 a.m. session, it's live. So this is the point of contact we have every morning at 5 a.m. It goes on for 20 minutes of your time. Okay, 25 minutes. We take it maximum 5:25 तक हम इसको over कर देते हैं. So I don't take a lot of time. Weekly sessions happen on Saturdays for 1 hour. One-on-one, of course, we can keep any point of time. We'll schedule it with mutual agreement based on the available slot. And this is the weekend session, which happens on Friday, Saturday, Sunday live. So if you ask me what is live, 5 a.m. club is live, the weekend session is live. Of course, one-on-one is going to be something we do live. एंड वीकली सेशंस आर ऑल्सो लाइव। ठीक है, लेकिन ये दोनों जो है ना, दीज टू आर प्री रिकॉर्डेड प्रोग्राम्स। All right, so I hope that answers your questions, guys. Anyone who has made the payment, just keep letting me know in the WhatsApp, sorry, letting me know over here in the meeting chat so that I can announce your name. Is there any other technique of EFT that is covered in these videos? No, Devang. It's like the same technique of EFT that I've taught. It includes teaching course as well, right? Juhi, it includes the practitioner workshop, which is for 3 days. So you are going to get that practitioner workshop in which you will learn how you can become a healer yourself. Okay? Total 4 sessions live, weekend, weekly, 1 to 1 and 5 a.m. Yes, Ganga, absolutely. Can I get this in my local language? Sorry, sir. Anyone who was asking me in Hindi, Malayalam, or any other language? No, this all happens in English. What would be the time of the sessions daily? Deepak, it's 5 a.m. in the morning. That's the daily time. It's 5 week live with you. No, Shama, as I answered, it's going to be a recorded program. Okay. Uh, Main program duration will be 20 minutes. Amar, the 5 weeks program, if you ask me, in that every session is approximately 15 to 20 minutes, you can say. Okay, so every day one session that you do is 5 to 20, 15 to 20 minutes. 5 a.m. is for 1 month, right? 5 a.m. The free 5 a.m. that you get with me is for 1 month, but after that, if you want, you can keep extending it also. Okay? You can repay for it. It after discount it comes down to I think 799 per month. So you can pay that if you want to keep subscribing for it. All right, I'll stop sharing my screen. Guys, any more questions that anyone has? Okay, someone is asking, can you extend the payment duration? Let me come back to that one. Means the recorded session can be done by us at any time. Yes, Shama. Even the 5 a.m. call that we do, even the 5 a.m. call that we do, guys, is recorded. I mean, it happens live, but I record it every morning and I share it on the WhatsApp group itself so that you can refer back to it at your own time later also if you want to. Because I understand some people have night shift, so they ask for recording from me, so I share it on the group. All right. Okay, so nobody told, but I have a few people who have made a payment. Let me take their names. So we have, so I'm able to see the email IDs, but for some people I'm able to see the names. Okay, so we have Divyangana with us. Hey Divyangana, happy to have you in. We have Tatum Biraju. So happy to have you in, sir. Let's start working closely from together. We have D Sarkar. So happy to have you in. I'm sorry, I'm just taking your names basis your email IDs. Apologies if those are not your real names because that's what I can see on my screen right now. So we have Vivek with us. Happy to have you in, Vivek. I can see earlier your payment failed, but now it has come through. So happy to have you in. Okay, Deepak Sarkar. So I told D Sarkar. All right. So, okay, Raju, happy to have you in. Juhi, you're saying you've paid, but is it in the name of Divyangana? Because I don't have any Juhi, but probably your email ID says Divyangana. Let me just check. No, Divyangana is Divyangana only. Probably Juhi, I haven't received. Ah, okay. Divyangana, Juhi are the same. Cool, awesome. Thank you so much. I've received your payment. All right, I think I'll let go of a few questions. Rajesh, can we first enroll for the 5 a.m. club for a month? Can we pay for this? Rajesh, if you want to enroll for the 5 a.m. club, just ping me personally on WhatsApp and I can share a link with you and you can do that. All right. Uh, yeah, the question that I missed earlier was that I think someone asked me about the extension of the time, right? Yeah, Samira, can you extend the time of payment, please? Samira, what I can do for you as well as for everyone, because probably it's too late for you now, I can extend it for 24 hours. Okay, I can extend it for 24 hours, which is a good enough time for us to get the discounted price. So, Beena, I've shared the payment link for your reference again. Coming back to the other point, for 24 hours means up to tomorrow 9 p.m. Okay, tomorrow up to 9 p.m. we can extend this discounted price of up to 4,995 so that you guys can do it in the morning as well. But yes, after that, the price goes up to 9,995. I'm just telling you for your reference, guys. I'm also going to share a message on the WhatsApp communicating the same so that you have the link there also. All right. And yep, we can do it that ways. I hope that that solves the purpose for you. Any other question that probably I missed? I think that was the only one that I wanted that I did not cover. Guys, any question, just keep putting in the chat. 5 a.m. club charge. Poonam is 999 per month. Where do I send the screenshot? Divyangana, it's no need to send the screenshot. That's fine. I think I've covered. You were going to give 25 EFT to be done by us. Karuna, that is what I meant. This particular program is actually the 25 EFT sessions that I was speaking to about. Preeti, if you had availed for any extra benefit along with the 3-day workshop, you would have received it over an email, right? So you please check your emails. You would have received that already. 5 a.m. session starts from tomorrow. Yes, Deepak. So after the session gets over, you'll get a message stating the WhatsApp groups that you need to be joining. In that group, so I don't send the 5 a.m. Zoom link individually to people. There's a WhatsApp group. You join that and you're going to get the link there. Okay? No, no, Juhi, you don't need to share the screenshot somewhere. Just a query. These will be videos daily we need to watch. Yes, Vivek, the five weeks program is a program which is uploaded on a portal that I'm going to give you access to, which is FlexiFunnels, in which the program is uploaded and you will have to watch it from there. Preeti, please check your emails once. I'm sure you must have received it because that's what automatically gets triggered every time someone purchases something from me on Razorpay. If you put wrong email ID, then probably you've missed that. Then in that case, just send me an email on sonal@sonalvadhwa.com and I can revert back to you there. Me or my team will revert back to you there, okay? sonal@sonalvadhwa.com. Individual 5 a.m. class price, please. 999 per month, Kanga, as I told you. Okay. Please post on WhatsApp how to join only 5 a.m. sessions. All right. My query is that can I do EFT session in my own script with you? Shivani, if you want to do a personal one-on-one EFT EFT session with me, just ping me and I'll let you know my one-on-one healing prices and we can go ahead and do that. All right. Any other questions? When will session start? Okay, so Raju, the 5 a.m. session will start tomorrow morning itself for you. And about the weekly sessions, they happen on Saturdays, so you will get the notification. All right. Any more questions, guys, before we close the call? Or if you have any questions that you've not been able to ask, my question is how can I do with my own script in live class? So Shivani, like when we are doing a live class, of course, I will be making you tap, right? If you want to create your own script and do it on your own, you can do it alongside, like not with me, of course, because when I am in front of you, I make you tap anyway. So you do a guided tapping with me. But if you want to do, on your own, right? Of course, you can create your own script and do it at your own time. Then why would you want to do it with me, right? Any WhatsApp group for members? Yes, Vivek. Yes, you're going to get a message from me where you are going to get the WhatsApp group links. Okay, don't worry. You will hear soon from me on that. All right. If there are no more questions, then we can probably close the call, right? Or if there's anything pending, you can just ping me on WhatsApp and we can go through it together, right? If any query is still left. Beena, I noticed that you were trying to make the payment, but it has not gone through. Just check it at your end. And all right, we have Rohini with us as well. I just checked just now. Welcome in, Rohini. Happy to have you in. I just saw your message paid. Thank you so much. You all will hear soon from me, okay? Today itself, in a while, in a few minutes' time, you're going to hear from me. All right. So if we have no more questions, guys, no Nirnay, you won't be able to make 999 payment because the Razorpay will not allow you. If you want to make the payment for daily 5 a.m., anyone over here who wants to make the payment of 5 a.m., just ping me on WhatsApp and I'm going to tell you how you do that, okay? Just please ping me on WhatsApp. Right now do it and I'll revert back to you so that you can start joining the 5 a.m. sessions. But didn't receive, thank you, but didn't receive the email. That's absolutely fine. Absolutely okay, Vivek. As long as you've received the payment receipt for 4995, your payment is confirmed and you're going to hear from me. All right. Cool. So thank you so much, guys, in that case, for being a part of. All right. So if we don't have any more questions, joining can be tomorrow, ma'am. Yes, yes, Nirnay, the joining can be tomorrow for 5 a.m. As long as you register for it, right? Which you will if you wish to. Cool. So thank you so much, guys, for being a part of the 5 a.m. Sorry, I'm sorry, I was like in the 5 a.m. club zone. Thank you so much for being a part of my 3-day money mindset EFT workshop, guys. It has been a pleasure serving you. It has been like an honor serving you for these 3 days. Of course, so many of you showcase so much trust in me, so much. I would say you gave me so much time, so much attention, and time is one of the biggest assets that we have, right? And you decided to give it to me, and I'm extremely thankful. Some of you guys are waiting for me to close the session for so long now. That itself shows, how much grateful I feel towards you. Thank you so much for being a part, and it has been an honor. I really look forward to serving each one of you in the days and months to come. And yep, thanks a lot for being a part, and hopefully, we meet again in the future. Have a good night, guys. Do make use of EFT in the future, and I wish you all the best for all that you do. Signing off. Thank you so much. Bye bye.